Are you mad at me? Are you mad that I gave you a bath? Are you mad at me? Boop. I think she might be expecting a raise. Is this what you want? Is this what the supervisor deserves? Take it. Good girl. What are you doing?